Right, today is a very cold day in Belgium. As you can see at the smoke of my bike, it's just above freezing point. But today is a very exciting day because I'm going to Harley Davidson to get a new exhaust. At the moment I have the Screaming Eagle slip-ons, the street cannons. They sound good. They are good, they are fun, but I want a little more Harley Davidson. So a little sound check at the moment. This is the Screaming Eagle slip-on exhaust. Already sounds good, but it's gonna get better. I'm going to get Rinehart slip-ons. So join me to Harley Davidson Silver Lake. Right, we are at Silver Lake. Morgen. Alright, we are at Silver Lake Harley Davidson. While I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee, they are going to install the Rinehart slip-ons and they are going to give a stage 2 tuning to delete the O2 sensors that Europe requires. Let's go. Right, the Rinehart exhaust slip-ons are installed. Looking very good, in my opinion. Very nice details. But I haven't heard it yet, so let's start it up together. Jawel. Looking good, sounding good. Oh boy. Oh, looking good. Looking good. So it sounds great, man. That's it. Sounds great. That's it. The sound check. Ja, dat is het. Alright. Zo moet een Harley klinken. Smile op mijn gezicht. Klinkt echt goed, diep geluid, niet te luid.